Yo, what's up? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group. I'm gonna show y'all a stock that goes up so often in November. And I'm actually gonna show you year by year, the past 9 years in a row, it's gone up, and a lot of those gains have been huge gains. Then I'm gonna show you how you can get access to 50 trades just like this each month, so that you can have a list of high probability swing trades to carry over. That'll be great for somebody who's working a full-time job, who's busy with kids, running their own business, or is in school, so that you can have time for those trades to work out in your favor and have a great chance to have consistent success and consistent profits. So I'm gonna start off by showing you the yearly stock market return on average, right? So the S&P 500 on average has returned about 11.8% since 1957 through the end of 2021, and that's 2022, right? So remember, a whole year on average, 11.88%. Let's kick it off, right? So we're going to be looking at Broadcom. Last year, 2021, November 12th to December 17th, it went from 554.86 to 630.92, a 13.7% gain in a month. Remember, 12% per year on average, 13% in a month, right? So this was last year. So let's keep track. That's one win, right? 13.7%. Let's go to 2020. 361.11 to 422 on November 13th to December 18th, right? So about the same time frame, 1 month, 5 days, again, 16.8%, right? Beating out the yearly average. Same dates. Buy it, hold it, sell it, right? Let's go to another year. Like I said, this is 9 years in a row, hot. 285.71 to 301, November 14th to December 18th of 2019. It's 5%. So it wasn't a banger, but you're getting about half of what the market average is year to year, which we looked at was about 12%, right? So this is 5.3. That's about half of what the market average is on a yearly basis in a month, without having to do nothing but just buy it on one date, sell it on the next, right? And keep in mind, this is now not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just showing you the facts, and what you do with the facts is up to you, right? Let's go ahead. All right. So this is November 2018, right? And this is November 12th to December 17th. Went from $200 to $223, an 11% gain. All right, let's go back. 11.88% average, 11.26% average. Again, buy it, hold it, sell it. Pretty much the same exact dates, right? Adjusting for weekends is pretty much what we're doing here. And another big win, right? The whole average of the market in 1 month. Think about what you could do if you could do this every month, right? Let's keep going. So here we got a 1% gain. Oh, know what happened, right? So this is 2017, November 14th to December 18th, 1% gain. Did have a huge run up to start. So that's just something that we're going to miss, but that was an 8% move up. Depending on how you take your profits, you might have caught it. But regardless, 1% gain. All right, we got a regular gain for once. Let's keep going back. So let's go ahead and look at 2016, 9%. Again, the average the market gives us is 12. That's 3% off for us holding it for a month and 5 days. Once again, November 14th to December 19th, 2016, 138.69 to 151.2. All right, 9% gain. So we just keep winning. We're going back, right? This is something that's happened every year routinely, buying and selling based on the dates, right? This is called seasonality. Okay, let's go back some more. December 15th, sorry, the 2015, November 13th to December 18th. All right, let me move my line a little bit. Yeah, there we go. November 13th, December 18th, 18.8%. in 1 month and 5 days. $97 to 115. Buy it, hold it, sell it. Not looking at it every day, not checking your phone every hour to see what it's doing. Get in on the 13th, set a reminder in your phone to close it on the 18th. Money, right? Printing. Let's go back another year. This is 2015. Now we done did 2021 to 2015. Let's go back another year. 2014, right? $71 to 82, 16.5% gain over a month and 4 days. Again, beating the market average in 1 month, what the market averages in a whole year, 12 months, without looking at the chart, without looking at the news, without looking at this report, without asking your friend, your coworker, your neighbor what they think, just buying and selling based on the dates. Another one, right? 1 month, 4 days, beating the market average. Again, think about what you could do if you could do this every month. If you could beat the market yearly return every month, that'd be crazy. And luckily enough, this trade has done it 8 out of the last 9 years, right? Now we're in 2013, okay? 2013, we got November 14th to December 18th, $35.88 to $42.67, an 18.9% gain, okay? So there it is, right? 9 years in a row. We're looking at year 10 now, 2022. We had 8 of these, I think, if not 7 out of the 9, 8 out of the 9 beat the market yearly average in 1 month and 4 to 5 days, buying and selling this one stock on the same dates every year, right? So this is a pattern that's repeating itself. Again, we see we got 18% win in 2013. Let's work our way back. We got a 16% win in 2014. We have an 18% win in 2015. So we beat the market yearly average 3 years in a row, right? 9%, so we were a little close, right? This was 2016. We got that 1%. Oh, womp, 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 right? In 2017, and we go ahead and look at 2018, right? 11%. So right on par with what the stock market averages in a year we got in 1 month. 2019, 5%. Okay. That's so crazy that 5% looks like it's little when that's about half of what the market averages in a year. 16.8% in 2020. And then in 2021, had a 13% gain, November 12th to December 17th. Okay. So for this November 14th to December 20th, I'm looking at buying and holding this company, Broadcom. All right. So this is what I'm looking at again. November 14th, that's that Monday, to December 20th. And we're going to see what happens. All right. But we already see what it's done the previous years. And if you can start adding technical analysis to it, then it makes it 10 times better, because now you're able to not only look at those patterns, but you can also look at the technical levels and see how a price is moving as well. Okay. So I give this list, a list of 50 of these stocks every month to my traders in my profit calendar. All right. This is the website. The link's in the description. It has a free webinar that walks through in further detail how this works, why this works, the concepts, so you can have the knowledge behind it. And then you'll also be able to get your profit calendar, which is literally going to tell you, hey, on this day buy this, on this day buy that, on this day buy that, based on the patterns, as well as the past results, so you can see what actually I'm putting there, right? So it's all laid out. The link's in the description. Right, here's some reviews. People love it. People in my group chat use it. People that aren't in my group chat use it because they work full-time jobs. They don't have the time to be able to look at charts every day. And if you don't have the time to look at these charts all the time, but you want to consistently make profits and be able to bank what the market averages in a year, in a month, then go ahead and hit the link in the description. Check this out. You'll be able to see other people's results, get more information, because people make money off of this, and it's really not that hard, right? Ask questions in the comments. Look forward to seeing you guys on the inside.